Sir, yung kay FDA Director General nila Sharid Puno, may information ba sir bakit terminate yung kanyang appointment?
Hindi ko alam, basta I was just instructed to read the termination letter. I think the Secretary of Health should be the ones to respond to any question relative to that, since he's the direct boss.
Sir, before President Duterte's trip to China, may sinabi siya na ito terminate na appointment. Kasama po ba siya doon?
Hindi ko alam. Hindi ko alam kung he was referring to that.
Are we expecting more terminations, dismissals from the President?
Wala pa siyang binabanggit.
Thank you, sir.
Okay, follow up, Julie Aurelio.
Sir, may
Julie.
nabanggit lang po in passing si Secretary Duque about FDA Director General Puno. May nabanggit po siya na parang there were COA reports, COA audit reports pertaining to Puno. Would you be aware of this?
No, hindi ko alam.
Can we find, pwede po ba kaya, sir, malaman natin?
Hindi, tanungin natin si Secretary Duque kung ano yan.
Joseph Morong.
So, sir, right now, do we have any information if may mga complaints filed against Ms. Puno?
Hindi ko pa alam.
And if there's going to be anything to be filed against against her, who would do this?
Gaya ng sinabi ko, dapat Secretary Duque.
Yes.
Nakakaalam niya kasi tao niya yan.
And would you be able to tell us the basis of the president for firing her?
Hindi ko nga alam eh. Basta binasa ko lang yung what I read. And it should be Secretary Duque who should be responding to all questions in connection with the termination.